Avoid drips and splatters with my tips on painting a ceiling. Let's get rolling. This bedroom is going to be a whole new look with Benjamin Moore's waterborne ceiling paint in the color New York State of Mind. I am also using ceiling paint, which is slightly thicker paint that is designed to better grip the ceiling for fewer drips and conceals any surface imperfections. Before we get started, I need to clear everything out of this room and spread out drop cloths. Next, we need to mask off the tops of the walls and any crown molding with painter's tape. If you have a ceiling fixture, make sure you tape off those areas as well. I like using Ace's Clean Release Painter's Tape. It's got a strong adhesion that makes it ideal for painting. Make sure you really press down on the tape to ensure no paint seeps on through. The next step is to cut in around the ceiling. Use an angled brush. Cutting in before you roll always allows you to cover most of the brush marks with any roller. Carefully brush the paint along the edge of the ceiling, one section at a time. To paint the ceiling, use a lightweight, easy to use extension pole. This will save your body, especially your back, while you are trying to reach to paint that ceiling. Load the paint roller from the ribbed section of the paint tray. Slowly roll it into the paint. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom of the well of the paint tray. Once it feels heavy and the paint looks even on the roller, you're ready to paint. Use this fully extended extension pole. I like to start in the corner of the room and work my way to the other side. Here's an Annie tip. Use a low nap 1/2-inch lamb's wool cover for smoother ceilings and a thicker nap around a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch for textured ceilings. Those textured ceilings need more paint to get into all those grooves. Next, go over the same area using a straight controlled stroke to even out the paint. Avoid leaving paint lines from the edge of the roller. Since you need to work while the paint is still wet, tackle smaller sections and be sure to feather out the edges to reduce any visible lines between each section. With such a dark color, you might need 2 coats. With the paint a little tacky, it's time to remove the painter's tape. I love this. Take a look at this next video. I painted a ceiling, but I took it in a totally different direction. That video is coming up next.